तुम्ही आता जी PDF आणि फ्लड करून सुद्धा कित्याक रिव्हिजन केली
तें करूंक सोदता आमी कोणें सांगूंक
म्हणजे तुमचं एक प्रपोजल आहा तशें
ना प्रपोजल एक हें आहा की गोंय म्हणटा तें वाडोवंक जाय सिटी वाडटात सिटीज आर ग्रोईंग सो देरफॉर देर इज अ नीड टू हॅव मोर प्लॅनिंग एरियाज PDA म्हणटा ती प्लॅनिंग एरिया पळयता जेन्ना सिटी वाडटात तेन्ना प्रदेशाच्यो गरजो त्योय वाडटात तशें हातूंत एक विचार आसा की ज्यो पणजेच्या परिसरांत एरियाज ज्यो वाडटात ताचे खातीर एक सेपरेट PDA आसची टू डेलिगेट मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू युनिट्स देन मेकिंग इट पार्ट ऑफ द होल वूड बी गिविंग मोर सर्वीस टू द पीपल दॅट वे
ते पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन बीन अशें
कोणत्या
कोणाक तरी घालपाक जाय
आमकां घालपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी घालतले कसलेंच कंपल्शन कोणाक ना कोणाक एकोमोडेट करपाचो आहा तो मनीस जे घटक पक्ष एलायन्स पार्टनर आहा तातल्याच भितरलो आसतलो भायलो आसचो ना आनी ताका प्लॅनिंगाचें कितें तरी खबर आशिल्लो मनीस आसतलो
Alliance partner म्हटल्यार when it can be Babush Monserrat or what it is.
It can be Babush Monserrat. But Babush Monserrat is part of Goa Forward Party. He has been the town country planning minister of the state. So what is wrong?
There is a news that this separate PDA is specially formed to induct Mr. Monserrat. How far it is true?
No, there is nothing called see, I have very clearly told you that a separate PDA is being thought about in order to adjust and accommodate the growing portion of the city of Panjim, which is like Greater Panjim. This concept of Greater Panjim has to be also factored in by having another planning area, perhaps for the purpose of this growth that the city is seeing, and for which we are considering.
The current chairperson seems to be not satisfied with this move or is not happy.
I don't think so. He is not satisfied. He has spoken to me. He doesn't seem to be not satisfied.
He is okay with this.
He seems to be satisfied.
Is
so
he?
you are trying to tell me